So the barn became famous because people started seeing it. Let's head on upstairs and see what upstairs looks like. This is a really cool open space with wood floors, and look at the way that dome roof is made. And then as you see, there's little porthole type areas that would be windows that could open up. There's one. There's one. They're all the way around the outside. Here's one that's actually open. And we can look out this window. And right there by that telephone pole is where the railroad had actually come through. And then that road